Hey guys, Melissa May here. I'm going to teach you guys how to do a super easy, fun costume for Halloween where you can be extra safe and protect yourself from, scary things using these masks. Very practical, and you don't have to paint your whole face. You can just paint top of your face. I'm going to do 3 different ones. And here we go. I'm gonna start off with the skeleton. Oops, by the way, I haven't done this before, so I just went and bought some stuff. Idea popped in my head, and now I'm doing it. Just went and bought some makeup sticks. First, I'm gonna put the mask on so I know which areas I need to paint. And then I'm gonna map it off with, starting with the black. I'm gonna do the skeleton face first because it's white. I already have the eye things here, so I'm gonna mark off. I'm gonna mark off where I have to, or don't have to paint this white. Yeah. I'm gonna start off with white, and then I'm gonna move to the black. So it's really hard. I'm using my laptop to record, and it's really hard to tell which way I'm going with my face. White done. Now moving on to black. This is going to be great for anybody who wants to be super safe for Halloween and is actually going to participate in Halloween this year. Okay, let's do the eye sockets. Okay, let's see, let's get some grumpy lines here. Oh, I wanted to do something really creepy and do red dot in the middle. I got this makeup. Good thing I'm putting it to use. Okay, let's see how it is. Let's see with the mask. Oh, perfect. Ooh. So, okay. It's pretty creepy. And what's great about this is didn't have to paint this part of your face. Yay! Okay, on to the next. Alrighty then, now we're moving on to the robot. So I'm going to place the mask. The design didn't come out like I wanted, but it'll do. Do a line right in the middle of my face. And then for the eyes. Alrighty then. Next I'm gonna get the silver stick and leaving my eyelid red because I wanted it to give the illusion when I close my eyes that I'm a robot and I've got red lights for eyes. So around where the lines are, you want to do a little highlight of white right on the edges of where the black lines are. Just on either side, a little bit of white, a little bit of white. And it gives the illusion that it's 3D. I have to redo those. This boat is big. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. Alright, let's see the damage we've done. Alright, I've saved the best for last. The black cat. Let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to be using the black stick. Like a supermodel, crazy cat. Wanted to do the eye thing. I know it didn't really work out well with the other two, but I wanted to do cat eye. Crazy cat eye in the middle. So that when I close my eyes, it looks like I have cat eyes open. So, and you have this yellow here, so there's some, ooh, I found a really pretty green. Let's try again. Let's see. Alright guys, what do you think? What do you think? Okay. Have a safe Halloween. My name is Melissa May Crawford, and signing out.